How does the language itself, Yiddish, how do you feel when you get to hear it and speak it today?
You mean the Mama Lushan?
Mama Lushan.
At home. At home and at peace. You just hear Yiddish and it conjures up all sorts of memories. It's not like speaking English. I mean, you speak English, you're speaking English. You sit down and you think about your memories. But when you speak Yiddish, the memories are there. It's a party view. And I bless Aaron. I bless the center. I bless you for being here. And I hope that the Yiddish rubs off on all the young people that come here. And then someday they could have the same feelings that us oldsters have.